Shy. Shy.
Come on!
No, fucking just hit someone. Right, well, we're on the way to Oughtibridge, but the biggest question is, where's Terry Simon?
Is you alright then, Billy?
Yes, mate, I'm good, thank you.
I'm sure it was you when I walked in.
Well, I just fancied a change, mate. I keep having stupid haircuts, and then obviously it grew right long, and it was getting in my eyes. And
So you thought you looked like Sam Lee?
yeah, so I thought I'd go for like the Sam Lee look / Joe Campbell. So
Right. But not as hard as that.
no, we're nowhere near.
So what are you expecting, a bit of pandemonium when you walk in?
Oh, I'm sure Ben Knox or somebody will have something to say. Maybe Wingrove.
Are you leaving hat on or are you?
No, I'll take the hat off. I'll walk in without the hat on so they can all get the laughs out before the game.
So where's Terry Simon gone?
Blackpool.
Maria again, isn't it?
Very summer. Be bad in Blackpool. Weather will be bad.
So start to be a couple.
But it's nice in Blackpool as well. Yeah.
So you've been signing autographs, haven't you, in local supermarkets, haven't you?
Oh yeah, I've got his name now. Lidl, yeah. Him and his wife watches regular, they don't miss.
And they knew you.
Yeah.
Is that the first time somebody's got that excited to see you in the supermarket?
Yeah, walking down aisle, it's done. Is it? I'll see you on YouTube. Yes, no, he's a big follower of us. Watches every week, they don't miss. His favourite's Billy. This is Billy Taylor's new hairstyle.
That's
right
me.
away. It's gonna be done.
He's trying to look like you, Don, isn't he?
Yeah. So quite good actually.
He can't play any position for us, is he?
No, I don't think. It's quite good on front tills when things through. Yeah. So
Yeah, we didn't know.
quite good actually. Been noticed.
Alright, Hope alright.
Hey son, what's up here?
Oh my god. I need a laugh. You don't know like him.
It was straight long in the minutes, so I said to me, let just shave it off.
Oh, what is it like?
Where's Terry Simon, Harry?
I don't know, he's not here yet. He'll not be happy if you're asking. He'll be shouting at you again. Is he here today? Is he not? No. I thought you were winding up.
That's what he's asking.
Where is it?
Blackpool.
Tomorrow.
Right, son.
Mr. Wingrove?
Right.
How are you? Is it you?
Pulled it back and it's quite wide, just 3 yards out. 2 minutes later, I walked in, it was like
So where's Terry? He talks about availability,
I got
doesn't he?
slagged off last time for saying it, so I'm
He talks about availability. Where is he?
I know.
Any sign of anybody, Billy?
No mate, done doing his...
Oh, is that Dono? I didn't realise that was him. Bit wet, innit?
Yeah, he's got his waterproofs on, so he'll be alright.
Have you had a look at the forecast? Is it going to stop?
I don't know mate, I'm not really bothered.
Charlie, alright? Yeah. Ollie? I think you had a good game here last time we came, didn't we? 4-0 up, weren't we, after half an hour? Can you just talk us through what happened at WhatsApp earlier this week? Because we thought you left the club.
Oh no, can't fucking click on votes on polls.
So you left the group?
Yeah, until Terry told me back.
Lewis, can you do a bit of training with him how to use WhatsApp groups?
Yes, what are you saying tonight?
I will be.
I don't know, that's what James...
Are you wanting to know where Terry Simon is and where is Ben Knox? Is that the question at the minute?
Terry's in Blackpool, isn't he?
And so the question now is, where is Ben Knox?
Don't worry about that, you'll go get changed.
He's always late.
Ben Knox is always early, it's very unusual.
Oh, we'll get you to eat group again.
Ah, he's here. Sending out search parties for you. 3 people have come out. Traffic problems.
No, fucking just hit someone. not me.
What the fuck are you doing here?
What? Just fucking gone out to go to Edderhalf Road. This calls the car, just hit straight in the back of it.
You hit somebody?
Yeah, fucking ready.
You made a mess of your car?
No, it's not. It's luckily it's alright. To be fair.
Well, just give us, what's your view on his...
On his hair, it's 8 colours. Don't know what he is.
Billy, come over here and then Ben can have a closer look.
Well, I don't. Do they have lights on?
Yeah, mate.
It looked better when I had mine done, didn't it?
That's good, brothers.
It's the latest you've ever come to a game, hasn't it?
I would have been on time.
That's a bit of good news for you, isn't it, actually? Dive to his
I didn't watch
right.
that video. Just 5 minutes into that video, you started going, have you seen the duck? So I turned it off.
Oh, so anything that don't get mentioned, it's a straight switch off.
Oh, I turned it off.
What about are going all right for next Saturday?
That even
So what we're saying, are we injured after last week?
last week, 2 weeks ago.
Oh, you played last week.
Yeah.
Failed the fitness test. What have you been doing? Out running and it failed.
No, it's just not going any better. It's not going any better like playing last week. Could you not die? No. Where's Terry?
I could have had some bets me, they don't count. Why is he always in fucking Blackpool? How long's he been in Blackpool? I don't know.
I think it's to do with Maria, I think, to be honest, Ben.
What?
Who do you blame for this, Kieran? Maria or Terry?
I don't want to get involved.
You're not getting involved?
Hey, we called Gaz semi-final.
Well, he never told me he wanted here today.
We called Gaz semi-final, Gaz. I think it's semi-final Terry. Don't put that in. Get me in trouble.
So, you know, next week, Ryan, obviously you've had your own...
Why have I not get a thingy off Mark Crossley?
Oh, well, you sent it to Billy Taylor then.
No, he sent it to me and I went to put it in group chat.
But
Why
it's-
did I not get one? I've scored 150 goals.
So, you want...
Will I get one at 200?
You want Mark Crossley to do your video?
When I get to 200.
But what, as somebody who's had a day in his honour,
Yeah.
what's your advice to Ben?
Don't turn up.
Or enjoy the moment?
Yeah, enjoy the moment. Oh, Paul.
Are you under the brolly all right then, Ben?
Yeah, Wally with the brolly.
Is that you?
No, it's you.
Oh, well, I think you're the Wally with the brolly.
You've got it.
Maybe you've just climbed under it.
It's always rains here.
I could charge you, for coming under here.
Why?
So what's your role today then?
Sub, not sub actually. Cheerleader.
So last week when we had the medics guy, I never actually asked you what fully happened, did I?
It was just a collision at football pitch.
Or you considered a penalty in the process?
Yeah, I got up and saved it.
So what's the
saved it,
what's the prognosis now then?
I don't know, I'm waiting for a scan. Got to have a one of them ultrasound scans to see what it is, 'cause it's just a lump.
What you like him, Rain?
Love it, mate. Right? Tackle.
Pretending to be asleep.
3 quarters, like, come on, speed it up. Come on! You went. See him again.
That's great. Have I just heard that? He's got no boots on, good. That's great. I don't know.
So how's the gym work going?
Yeah, good. Been 7 times.
Right.
Cases.
Have you, how long have you done in there every time?
About 45 minutes.
Is that good, Kieran, do you think?
What?
45 minutes at the gym 7 times?
Yeah. Good, isn't it? On treadmill and all.
Do you feel your arms are physically bigger?
Yeah, it's about the fitness, mate, not
You can take throwings now.
And what about the belly?
It's alright, I'm not going to show it like. It's all about progress. I'll show you at the end.
And what about takeaways? Have you cut down?
Yeah, actually I've asked my mum, chicken, steak, I've been having rice, drinking water only.
So last night I watched Grease 2 and Happy Gilmore. What connects those 2 films?
Fuck no.
Mine have got Jaden's nickname
What is it,
on the
Kay?
bottom as well.
What is it?
Have you? I take it you've seen both films.
No. I don't know.
What is it, Grease 2?
Yeah.
Got my own nickname on the bottom.
I ain't seen none.
No, not that one.
Happy Gilmore's very good, don't it?
Yeah. That's good. Are we in?
Can't. Leg.
So, question for you. I watched Grease 2 and Happy Gilmore last night. What connects the...
Last night?
Yeah.
You watched them both in
Yeah.
one night?
Yeah. One's
Yeah, lads.
Grease 2 is an hour and is an hour and 50 minutes, 56 minutes on Sky Movies, and then Happy Gilmore's an hour and 34. So I finished about 11:30 at 2 hours. But what connects the two films?
What, Grease and?
Well, Grease 2, not that Grease.
I wouldn't even have a clue.
Have you got a
Can't
favourite?
imagine
Just
any
going back to the original Grease film, have you got a favourite Grease film, song?
No.
You're not a
Grease
fan of Summer
Lightning.
Nights?
Grease Lightning.
Oh, you like that?
That was on it one hill.
Well, that's Summer Nights, and you're the one that I want.
No, I don't know them ones. Well, I know them, but I don't know what it is. Grease Lightning is my
Have you ever said to a lady, my children to play her out like that?
Have you? Have you? Clearly, no, it's just a fan in me, so I'm fanning you. I need a team sheet to it. I like Bailey's boots. That's the only thing I like about Bailey.
Okay, hold it there, stretch off.
Can't stand the rest of it. Like your boots, Bailey.
I catched it there, the rest were irrelevant.
What's happened to pink ones?
I said I caught it, but the rest were irrelevant.
Where's pink ones, Bailey?
At home where they belong.
What you got there, Alex?
Gordon would have got sent off.
Are you starting? All right, I'll let you off then. Jordan, you only get one of them inside you. Last time you didn't have any food, you got cinnamon.
No, I have had already.
What have you had?
I'm not telling you.
All right. Is it nice?
I like the viewers live with me.
Ben, do you want a steak, babe, before kick off?
Like I've just said out there, guys, today it's all about the desire. Do we want it? Last week we didn't. This week we put it right. The system that we play, they're a big side. So I think we could play through and move the ball nice and quick. Set pieces. We've got to pick them up. We've got to go with the runners because I don't think there's anybody less than 6'4" at their side to be fair. So we've got to go with them. Set pieces are really strong. So we've got to pick as men up and go with them. I'm not bothered if you don't win headers. Just put them off. You've got to put them off. It's all about out of possession. Let's work hard. In possession. We've got to keep the ball. We've got to keep the ball. Last week we didn't keep the ball. We get it away. Then we made it hard work in retrieving the ball. We've got to keep the ball. We've got 2 lads up top who I want to stay. 2 lads up top. Stay up top.
Okay. Have you got any pudding, Alex? You got like a vanilla slice or all like that?
New trainers? Yeah.
No, I've had them a few weeks. A few months actually. I don't like the flat bottoms though.
Best than your 10-pin ball.
Oh wait, you're fullback, aren't you?
Is that a steak bake, Ben? Who said somebody said it was a steak bake?
I thought you said no.
Was it a big one or a large one?
Well, it was pork bacon, wasn't it?
Oh, you'd have been like a pig in shit if you'd brought a couple, wouldn't you?
I sniffed it out before you got it out.
What are we doing here? Do you want to start a fire?
Where to? Just into the middle bit.
Como se Let it bend.
George!
taking analysis, right? You go on to each other after the first 10 minutes when we went 2-0 down, push a goal. Second, the first time we went straight down Sam Toy. Yeah, not to hear it, it's just taking a deflection. Can't the fuck all about that. Second, we're on break. They've won ball, but Kieran slipped. We just got one fucking mistakes. It's 2 mistakes it's cost us. Don't be getting onto each other for that. It's fuck all, you're still in game, you're best side now. You're fucking knocking it back, your best side. Bit of aggression, you're in there. And bit of luck, but fine, it's got the keepers come out and he ended it twice, but a bit of luck, we could have fucking, it's got some good balls going in. It's actually quite good. Apart from the first 10 minutes and there were only mistakes, but don't be fucking getting onto each other.
Look guys, I see it like this. No, listen, we've had more of the ball than they have. We've had more of the ball, and I just think it's that little quality in the final third. That bit of quality in midfield to open gaps up. At minute, we're getting good areas, but we're coming away with nothing.
Wow. Yeah, look at that. Sure not really.
So last night, Toddy, I watched Grease 2 and Happy Gilmore. What connects the two films?
Hey?
What connects the two films?
What, Grease 2 and Happy Gilmore?
Have you seen Grease 2, Titch?
He's in it, isn't he? Thing is in it. Sandra. Michelle Pfeiffer.
Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. But that's not what connects the two. Maxwell Caulfield is in it.
Yeah.
But there's a certain thing what connects the two films.
What, as an actor?
Yeah. What did you think to Grease 2 when it came out, Toddy?
Absolute shite. Shite.
Come on!
I don't like Spurs.
So you'd take Olivia Newton-John any day?
Yes. One of my favourites, Newton-John.
Wait,
which one do you know? Michelle Pfeiffer?
No. So you're hopelessly devoted to her then, basically?
Hopelessly devoted. Tell me who had it off with her.
Yeah. No, it's true. They had a relationship.
We're just outside box, you know. Another 5 yards further up, just outside box.
Send him over this. Wait, right. Oh, he should have scored. It's about final ball.
Yeah. It's probably.
All right.
8 seconds. He should. Come on, let's punish it.
That's the first time I've seen that happen. Have you seen it happen?
Don't they? They always count, don't they?
Yeah, it didn't count that time. Is that the first time you've seen it?
Yeah.
I know it is, shooter. He's in them both.
Yeah, it is.
I knew it.
I've nearly missed a goal there.
Shooter McGavin.
We'll come back to you in a
Who's
minute.
that? Oh, shoot. Who's he though?
We've had a goal at Titch's end. We'll come back to you. Yeah, Titch, you have the correct answer. It was Shooter McGavin
That's it. Shooter McGavin.
in both films.
It's
I
even
ain't
worse.
seen it.
It's even worse.
Carl Weathers' best interest in his hand.
How many more?
Before goal.
Fucking hell. That's a great goal, eh?
What is your favourite Grease song then?
Sandy.
Sandy, can't you see I'm in misery? I'm in
Do I?
Oh, tell him about last week.
What he does, he cheers. What's this? He's trying to stick feet.
You are kidding me! You are fucking joking!
Right, is that? Nice work gear, that, isn't it? Nice colour.
I'm all up for yes. Yes, whistle please, whistle.